good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. That was our company before. And we're involving Pinoy Espenia Jack of all trade. As always, and been our providing services to our subscribers. Now, we are streamlining our expertise to focus on something we are truly passionate about, and that is traveling. My name is Sunny Mejia, and I'm the owner and founder of Espenia Travel Hub, your new gateway to seamless and memorable travel journeys. As a traveler ourselves, we recognize the needs of reliable traveler experiences. That's why we are transitioning into Espenia Travel Hub, specializing in planning, booking, and exclusive deal tailored for adventurers like you. While our name and focus are changing, our commitment to exceptional service remain the same. If you trusted on us before, you can count on us providing a better travel solution, ensuring every trip is stress-free and unforgettable. So join us in this exciting journey. Follow Espenia Travel Hub for updates for special packages, inside tips, hassle-free travel assistance, and of course, explore the world together. Thank you very much.